Hi, I'm Kate Ashley Garay, the head writer of Sila Film Production.
Hello, good day, Sini Hablawan. I am Julian Villanueva, the head writer of Lambano Film Productions.
Hi, I'm Justiana Kedrin T. de Guzman, head writer and cinematographer of Studio Marito.
Pose with the fans.
Since you are the writer of this project, how did you first conceptualize or come up with the idea for your script?
In terms of conceptualization and pag-come up ng ideas, in our production, lahat kami may ambag. Hindi lang writers ang gagawa niyan. Kasi hindi pwede ikaw lang lagi yung masusunod. So, lahat magsasuggest, lahat mag-generate ng idea. Kunwari ako nag-share ako ng idea, yung isa mag-critic, yung isa mag-suggest, or yung isa i-improve yung idea ko para lahat kami mag-a-agree.
Honestly, since the grounding of our story came from our very own director, she actually helped me conceptualize better not just the script but the whole story. Also, nagkanda kasi kami ng madami actually meeting before kami mag-proceed sa paggawa ng script. And for me, that was very helpful kasi hindi lang naman yung idea and yung nabivisualize ko sa story namin ang kinakailangan, but the whole production. Since as a head writer, this is not only my story, but the story of the whole productions.
Actually, madaming beses kaming gumawa ng seeds since pinapagawa baga kami ni Sir Tope. And for conceptualizing, hindi lang naman ako yung gumawa nun. Tulong kami ni Ange, yung assistant writer ko. And actually, nasa isip na talaga namin, gusto namin gumawa ng story since we're fans of that. And hindi naman siya masyadong, hindi pa siya gamit sa BLFF masyado. So, ayun, decide lang kami, tapos pinakita namin yung seeds kay Sir Tope, and napili yung seeds namin. But di naman siya agad fixed na since marami pa rin naman na bago.
What part of the writing process is the hardest for you? Beginning, middle, or ending? Why?
Ending. Kasi yung ending namin, merong rated SPG.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG.
Striktong patnubay ng magulang ang kailangan.
Ang programa ito ay duda SPC. Dito dito Dubai at Dubai na ang walang lawan. Then pero, Naway, kautan tipay, ulo, agaga, mininin ko sa mata.
So, dapat maayos yung paglalahad niya para maganda yung execution.
For me, the middle. Kasi it is actually easy to start our story since polished na talaga siya before pa kami mag-start. Pero along the way or during the process, may mga conflict talaga within the production na magkakaroon ng some changes during the process of writing the script. So it was really hard sa middle kasi doon na lalabas yung iba-ibang ideas ng bawat members. And as the head writer, kailangan mo yun i-cater lahat kasi hindi lang yung ideas mo yung kinakailangan or yung gusto mong maging pinalalabasan ng story niya. So it was the middle for me.
Hindi naman ako nahirapan.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Hindi kasi, buo na yung story kasi sa utak namin. And siguro natagalan na kami pagsulat nung first part kasi hindi pa namin alam kung may mga ipapabago ba or hindi. Pero kasi actually, siguro sinulat namin yung 3 scenes a week. Tapos yung the rest, kasi 38 scenes yun isang araw lang namin yung tinapos.
How do you deal with the writer's block, especially during deadlines?
Usually, kapag may writer's block, kinukuha ko yung perspective ng iba kong groups para makita ko kung ano ba yung nag-fit. Kasi hindi na ako nag-generate sa utak ko So, naghahanap ako ng ibang ideas. And minsan, nagte-take break ako ganyan. Minsan kakain ako muna or magte-take a nap. Kasi feeling ko may traffic yung utak ko. So, I have to chill muna. I-relax muna yung utak ko para lumabas yung creative juices and alcohols.
What?
As for the writer's block, honestly, tambay ako sa docs namin. Like, if hindi ko na alam kung ano yung susulat ko, I always reread the whole sequence. And after the sequence, reread ko ulit yung script from the very scene 1 up until sa very end ng scene na nasulat ko. So that habang binabasa ko siya, may papasok sa'yo na ibang ideas or kung paano mo siya ipapasunod-sunod. So, that's how I deal with my writer's block. Magre-read ka lang nung sinusulat mo.
Wala akong ginagawa. Nagbabasa lang ako ng AO3. Kasi di ko pinipilit sarili ko pag di ko kaya. And I don't want to be so hard on myself. Kaya, pinapalipas ko lang hanggat makaisip lang ako ng idea. Tsaka na ako magsusulat.
What changes did you have to make in the script because of production limitations, budget, location, or time?
In terms of changes sa script, ang initial namin, 20 sequences. Pero since goal na kami sa oras and wala na kaming budget, trim namin yung sequences. From 20, naging 10 sequences na lang siya. Kasi kung iisipin namin, kung mag-generate pa kami ng more scenes, more budget, and more time ang kukuhain niya. Considering yung availability ng cast namin and yung videographers, mahirap para sa amin na i-align siya lahat. Kaya yung script talaga yung mag-a-adjust.
Changes we made, first, yung location. Since ang grounding namin Magallanes, Sorsogon, we have to think of alternate places na mag-fit sa genre or sa theme ng story namin. And also, yung budget, kasi student lang, mahirap maghanap ng sponsorship, guys. Kailangan nyo rin mag-budget, i-budget yung kung anong amount ng pera ang nasa inyo. So, location and budget talaga ang pinaka-binago namin.
Maraming changes. First, kasi during our filming, siguro yung changes namin sa script, mismong pag-film na namin nangyari. Kasi yung weather sobrang maulan, tapos hindi siya nagtugma dun sa mga other parts ng script namin. Kaya we have to make changes on that. Pero the rest, okay naman. May mga nabawas lang and may mga nadagdag. But it's fine. I think okay naman siya kasi di naman maapektuhan yung story namin.
What themes or messages were most important for you to highlight in this film?
That sometimes you have to choose between two kinds of love. Yung magbe-benefit ka or magbe-benefit sa ibang tao. And I want to show that love can also be deceiving kahit gaano pa ka-pure ang intentions mo.
Themes I want to highlight or message, I think it is actually yung pag-respect mo sa belief ng other. Because sa story talaga namin, I don't want to spoil it, but it is actually about the belief of someone. And nandoon na rin yung kung ano yung nabitawan mong salita. You have to take accountability for that. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, mahirap na may sasabihin kang ganito, ganyan, tapos hindi mo naman tutuparin. So you have to be mindful of whatever you promise to someone, and you have to be mindful of your own belief na hindi mo madi-disrespect yung iba.
I think acceptance.
For our fast talk, characters or plot?
Plot.
Plot, characters.
Beginning or ending?
Ending.
Ending.
Laptop or paper notebook?
Laptop.
Paper notebook.
Laptop. Laptop.
Writer's block or writer's breakdown?
Writer's breakdown.
Writer's block.
Writer's block.
Try first or write first?
Write first.
Write first. Write first, try later.
Kill the character or save the character?
Save the character.
Kill the character.
Kill the character.
Fate or free will?
Free will.
Free will. Free will.
Flashback or foreshadowing?
Foreshadowing.
Foreshadowing.
Foreshadow.
Describe your writing journey using one Filipino word.
One Filipino word. Pagod.
Pagod. Pagod.
Nahirapan.
Complete the sentence. Being a writer is like...
Stuck on a loop.
Secretary.
Building a world.
Please watch our films.
This upcoming BLFF 2025.
And follow Cine Hablawan in all of their social media platforms. Thank you, guys.
Bye.